Creative Journeys is a 2-year partnership between Dublin Airport and National College of Art and Design, which will bring a range of different public artworks into different areas of the campus of Dublin Airport. We are bringing artists into the airport to create large-scale artworks on walls and in 3-dimensional sculptures, and giving them a brief to think about what the word creative and a journey means to them and to introduce their ideas into the airport.
The student and the student experience is at the core of what NCAD does. So things that support the learning and provide a really unique learning experience for our students is really what drives our partnerships. We're delighted for any opportunity to promote NCAD on the wider stage, but really what's at the core of a project like this for us is the opportunity it provides for our students and also a community of recent alumni that we stay very connected with.
I studied fine arts in NCAD and then returned to NCAD and I did a postgraduate in art and education. My process all stems from what I learned in NCAD, and so that was really nice to have that connection. I like the idea of putting art into the airport, that the image would be on a billboard, and these spaces are usually reserved for advertising and selling you stuff. High Flyers, it's an aerial view of the Dublin coastline and the Irish Sea, and you can see the airport within that. I love that view when I'm flying into Ireland, when I'm looking out of the plane, and also to people who've never visited. It's their first impression. I'd read somewhere that Dublin Airport used flying kites with images of birds of prey on them as a way to try to prevent birds from going onto the runway. I painted the seascape and the landscape, and then I made the kites separately, and I photographed everything, and then I put it all together then in Photoshop, so the final result is digital. One of the things I had to consider was where the billboard was going to be, and I was aware of the audience's experience that probably they weren't going to see it in its entirety, but some would notice it as they're passing through, so they might read it from one side to the other. So I didn't want to make the image too busy or too complicated. I wanted it to be quite simple.